Solution. Then let us recall from question 1. We have m plus n equals 8. Let's make m as the subject. We have m equals 8 minus n. Let's name this as 3. When you substitute equation 3 into equation 2, so when we have 3 in 2, we have our 2 to be mn equals 48. Then from here we are going to have this to be 8 minus n times n equals 48. So we have 8 times this will be 8n minus n squared equals 48. Then multiply through by minus, so here will be minus 8n minus n squared. Here will be minus 48. So here will be minus 8n plus n squared equals minus 48. Now, we have n squared minus 8n equals minus 48. So we have n squared minus 8n plus 48 equals 0. Then let's solve this quadratically. So when we solve this quadratically, what we are going to have will be n equals minus b positive or negative root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, where we are going to define the parameter a as the coefficient of n squared 1, b the coefficient of n minus 8, c equals 48. Now from here we are going to have this to be n. Here is minus, here is already minus, here will be minus into minus 8, positive or negative, square root of 8 squared. Here is minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 48 over 2 times a, which is 1. So from here we have n 8 positive or negative. This guy here will be 64 minus 48 times 4. We have 192 over 2. Now we have n 8 positive or negative. 64 minus 192, here will be minus 128 over 2. And this can be simplified as 8 positive or negative root 128 times root of minus 1 over 2. So we have n 8 positive or negative. This 128 can be divided by 4. So we have here to be 4 times 32. The root of this will be I over 2. Root 4 with 32i over 2. We have here will be 2 multiplied by root 32i over 2. So let's simplify this as 8 times 4 is 32. So we also have this as n equals 8 positive or negative 2 again multiplied by 4 times 8 over 2 multiplied by I. We also have n 8 positive or negative with 4 multiplied by root 8 I over 2. Now we can also simplify this further as n 8 positive or negative. This will be 2 times 2 again. This will be root 4 times 2 multiplied by I over 2. We have n 8 positive or negative. For this again will be multiplied by 2 multiplied by root 2I over 2. Now divide 2 by 2. This will be 8 divided by 2, 4 positive or negative. This cancel this, 4 multiplied by root 2I. Now let us recall that we have m to be equals 8 minus n. n will now be 8 minus our n is 4 positive or negative 4 multiplied by root 2I. So here will be m 8 minus 4. This time this will be minus, this time this will be plus, multiplied by 4 root 2I. So we have m 4 minus or positive 4 multiplied by root 2I. Then we have n again 4 positive or negative 4 multiplied by root 2I. Meaning that, let us now check. We are given m plus n to be equals 8. Then m n to be equals 48. Now, for the first one we have m 4 minus 4 multiplied by root 2I, n 4 plus 4 multiplied by root 2I. Let us now verify the following. This will be plus m plus n. This will be plus this will be 4 plus 4, which equals 8. So this will cancel out this. The multiplication of it, m n will be equals 4 minus 4 multiplied by root 2I times this 4 plus 4 multiplied by root 2I. Then let us now recall that we have a minus b times a plus b equals a squared minus b squared. Now here will be 4 squared minus our b will now be 4 multiplied by root 2I all squared. So this is our mn. Now from here we have mn equals 16. Here also be 4 squared. Now from here we have this will be root 2 squared multiplied by I squared. So from here we have mn 16. Here will also be 16 times this cancel out this 2, then multiply by I squared. mn, this will be 16 minus 16 times 2, that's 32. Now multiply by I squared. Then from complex number, I squared equals minus 1. So from here we have mn 16 minus 1 parenthesis 32 multiply by minus 1 again, close the parenthesis. We have mn from here. Minus this will be minus into 32 multiplied by minus will be minus 32. So we have mn this will be 16 minus minus will be plus 32. Mn 2 plus 6 8, 3 plus 1 4, 48. So we prove this to be 48. So this tells us that the value is correct. M equals 4 minus plus 4 multiplied by root 2i, and n equals 4 plus or minus 4 multiplied by root 2i.